This is the DAE Energylink 20 Software Installation Guide. Step 1. Double-click on CC150 file to install CC150's driver on the computer. Right-click on the second file to run the file as administrator. Click Yes on the pop-up screen. Click Extract. Click Next when you see the installation wizard. Please accept this agreement. Click Next. Click Finish. Close the folder. Step 2. Double-click on Energylink 20 to start. Click Next. Click Next. Click Next. Click Close. Step 3. Right-click the DAE Energylink 20 to go to the Properties. Click Compatibility and choose to run this program as an administrator. Click Apply. Click OK. Step 4. Now we can start the program by double-click on Energylink 20. Click Yes on the pop-up screen. You have 5 seconds to change your COM port. Now the program is running. Click Report to search your data. Click Setting to change your setup. To search Report, click Report. Type the date range, and then click Date Search. When the data is done, you can click Report and export the data to an Excel file. You can download the file anywhere you like. Let's say we download on desktop and name it Testing. Now let's close the program. Open the testing Excel file. Then you have the data you need. This is the end of the installation guide. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@daecontrols.com or refer to our website www.daecontrols.com or call us at 248-635-3708.